yakho masekubulise mphulaphula, and thank you so much kobana ke wena ke uhlale nathi. Sifumaneka ku-90.6, 98.4 and 99.9. Lixesha lobana ke singene kwisandla senceba. Isandla senceba ke liqandelo okanye ke isegment apho ke we shine at spotlight to an organization, a community project okanye an NPO eyenza utshintsho ekuhlaleni. Kuthiwa ke it takes a village to raise a child. Oko ke kuthetha ukuba ke ukukhulisa nokuphuhlisa uluntu ayisilo xanduva lwabazali okanye urhulumente kuphela, kodwa luxanduva lwethu sonke ekuhlaleni. Namhlanje ke ulutsha lwethu lujongene nemicelimngeni emininzi yabantu okanye ke abanye abafundi abaphumelela ibanga leshumi bayaphumelela kodwa bangakwazi ukufaka izicelo kumaziko emfundo ephakamileyo ngenxeni ke yokunqongophala kolwazi. Abanye ke baphulukana namathuba ngenxeni yeemeko zasekhaya, logama abanye befuna uluntu okanye umntu onokubakhokhela bakhuthaze ze ababonise indlela. Kulapho ke imibutho efana neThando Lwethu Foundation ingena khona. Lo ngumbutho ke ogxile kwi-education, youth development, ekuxhobisa nasekuxhobiseni abantwana abangamantombazana kunye nokuphuhlisa uluntu kwindawo jikelele, ingakumbi kummandla waseKomane, Enoch Mgijima Local Municipality. Namhlanje ke sifuna ke ukuva ukuba yintoni ekhuthaza umntu omncinci ukuba athathe inyathelo lokutshintsha ubomi kubanye abantu. Zeziphi ingxaki adibana nazo kwaye yintoni eyenza aqhubeke nangona kukho imingeni? Sincokola ke noThando Lwethu Khanya from Thando Lwethu Foundation. Ukhona yena Simbambe Ngozu. Ma'am, good morning and thank you so very much for joining us.
Thank you so much. Good morning, Kuma. My name is Thando and my surname is Okanya, the founder of Thando Lwethu Foundation. I am originally from Queenstown, Ekomani, based in PE, but we are both in Queenstown and PE. Just making sure that we don't forget Ikaya, nalapho susuka khona, nalapho yonke lento isuka khona. Thando Lwethu Foundation was founded in 2018. That time it was just a promoting company where we were just hosting events and all of that. And those events were events that were aiming in, boosting self-esteem of young people in Queenstown. There was pageants that we were doing, where we obviously focused in areas that, have young girls and boys that wanted to do pageants and all of that. But realizing after EZO events, but actually there's more need in a lot of things, which would be your giving back ngokutya, you're securing your future. You'd get those concerns in between those pageants, and therefore it rebranded to Thando Lwethu Foundation, which now aims in community development, youth development, and a girl child and all of that.
One of the campaigns enizenzayo at Thando Lwethu Foundation, icampaign ebizwa ngobana ke Secure Your Future campaign. I want you to tell us more about that.
Secure your future means making sure that you are doing the right things. That is applying in varsity. So we assist with applications, finding you a bursary, finding you student accommodation, and making sure that your future is secured. I mean, it's on your hands, it's in your hands. So normally what we would do is we would visit certain schools where we would particularly want matriculants to be assisted in terms of their applications, and then assist and in terms of the application, because we know some lack resources, and therefore we want to bring those resources to abantwana abazama funda and all of that. So our we still have a date that is coming for Queenstown, which we will share shortly, and just invite all those students that wish to secure their future by applying ezikolweni and all of that. And maybe if they want career guidance as well, we are able to assist on that. So Secure Your Future is basically just giving an opportunity to those young people that want to apply for varsity. It's my assist in that regard.
Umntana Thando, I'm worried about umntana omameleyo ngoku oseCraddock umzekelo okanye oseCofa Imvaba oqondayo into yobana ke I think Secure Your Future campaign ndiyayidinga kakhulu. I'm not sure if mhlawumbi niyakwazi na uba accommodate abo bakude. Okay, you want to apply more especially ngoku, because ngoku bazawufumana iripoti kaJune abo benza grade 12, and then universities zizawuvula for applications and TVET colleges. So ndisecofa imvaba, but anayo access to idatha. Ndiyafuna uapply to universities, ndiyafuna uapply to i-bursaries, as ba ubutshilo into yobana you not only assist abantwana for uapply universities, you also assist them in terms of applying for bursaries. But see, anokwazi uthumela izinto zam nikwazi ukundi-assista mhlawumbi. Can you take us through to that?
Definitely. So we are available on our social media platforms, and we do have an email for the foundation where if you need any assistance, whether virtually or whatever, you can just send us an email with your documents. There's a link or a form that we have on the page where you just submit your information and what you request from the foundation or assistance with from the foundation. Maybe we will just reshare that link, but we are able to assist in terms of Noba OP. As long as you just provide us with the information that we need, and you provide us with your relevant email address, so that now we can track in terms of what is happening with your applications and all of that. But we are available as well when it comes to assisting abantu that abangafikelelekiyo apho sikhoyo thina. So you can just reach out to us on social media, and then we will be more than willing to assist. We have volunteers in Queenstown and in PE. Those volunteers are willing to also assist in terms of helping you apply. So we are open both physically and assisting you online.
What 22 imizuzu ibethile intsimbi ka-10 o'clock sandovula iradio yakho. Masikubulise wethu umphulaphuli sikwamkele sincokola noThando Khanya from Thando Lwethu Foundation, le i-organization ke ezinze eKomani eQueenstown. Siva ke ngomsebenzi abawenzayo bona. Mhlawumbi wena uyafuna uba inxalenye yalena incoko, ungasithumela ivoice note okanye usifonele on 0725145538 kwani ungasidrophela ke ne-comment kwikhasethi lokuncokola Facebook Vukani Community Radio. Towards the end of the conversation, uThando uzasinika ke i-details zobana ke ungaqhagamshelana nabo njani na ukuba ngaba wena mphulaphuli ufuna ubuza more especially about the Secure Your Future campaign. Well, Thando, anifocusanga only ekuncedeni abantwana benza grade 12 abafuna uapply in universities and TVET colleges, in fact kwi-higher tertiary institutions nje qha. There is also another project that you guys are busy with ebizwa ngobana ke i-Girl Child. Why it is your priority?
Yeah, okay. That one is a very sensitive one to me. It is a very sensitive one because I definitely know how it feels not to it's more of the period cycle, right?
Right.
We just donate pads because of girls, because I understand that it can even hinder your attendance at school, right?
Yeah.
So as City Girl Child, we are saying that we are here for a girl child. We are here to donate pads. It's mainly that purpose for a girl child. So ndiya-understand awukhona umntana kwezolali okanye kweso sikolo that doesn't go to school because akanayo ipad for that day. Right, so it's a very sensitive matter because it ihambi ifikelele kulaa nto yoba i-future yomntana, because akathandi class, which means that she's missing out from school, and our priority is making sure that the girl child attends school, never misses class, and therefore we donate pads to those girls and just make sure that they continue attending school. That's the main purpose of the Girl Child.
You know, ngokuthethayo ndicinga enye into. I was having a conversation with not with a friend, but with someone in Commu Live on TikTok. I'm not sure if it was last week or a week before last. Esithi abantwana elalini yakhe bade bayeka isikolo uba benga-afford i-sanitary towels uba besoyika la embarrassment. I-rate yabantwana abayeke isikolo abangamantombazana is very much high kwesa sikolo kuba abantwana baphana baphuma kwi-underprivileged families. So most of them, in fact, they cannot afford i-pads, ukuthenga i-pads. Itsho ilidishele to ekubeni umntana aphele eyeka esikolweni. Now, let's talk about challenges enithini ihlangabezane nazo uthando lwethu foundation, and ndiyafuna ke usicacisele into yobana mhlambi nizi overcome njani nina ezo challenges ezo.
Okay, the honest reality when it comes to challenges, it would be the support, right? In terms of donations and all of that. I'll be honest with you in terms of that one. So we are knocking in doors, hoping that they will open, because currently most of the things that are being done by the foundation would be from us and our pockets and all of that. But it's something that we love doing, so we don't have a problem with that. But our main aim is to reach communities, right? We want to reach communities. We do not want to be focusing aposikoyo. We want to reach communities. And for us to reach communities, we need support. So our main challenge would be support. But more than anything, we have identified places so far that, we are planning on visiting, which would have that high rate of girls dropping out, which would have that high rate of, schools with a low pass rate in terms of girls having not passing well and all of that. So we just need support more than anything, but that's just our main challenge currently.
Maybe Thando ndifuna ngesibili nje umva kancinci kule ndaba ye-support. If singa-ancisa banzi the support, because enye yenjongo zobana sibe nale segment is to make sure that we assist in terms of supporting i-community projects ezenza utshintsho ekuhlaleni. Xa usithi eyona challenge nihlangabezana nayo kukungafumani enough support i-organization eyidingayo, what do you mean and what support do you guys need? Mhlambi, why I'm asking this question, because omnye umuntu uzawuthi mhlawumbi mna ndingakwazi ukumane ndinithengela ii-pads eziyi-5 qho ngenyanga xa ndipeyayo, uyabona umzekelo. Omnye umuntu athi mna ndinayo i-access ye-internet endlini kwam, mhlawumbi ningakwazi into yobana nithi ezinye ii-applications nizithumela apha kum, then ndini-assiste in terms of that. Anayo imali yobana ndithi hayi nantsi imali ndiyakwazi ukunika funding, but zikhona izinto based on umsebenzi eniwenzayo endine-access mna kuzo endinokwazi ukunincedisa kuzo. So in terms of le support uthi niyayidinga as uthando lwethu foundation, yenjani incakasana and singangenelela njani nathina as abantu abafuna ukunceda?
Okay, honestly speaking, it is not focusing on monetary like imali, right? We're looking at 3 areas here. We're looking at 3 areas. The areas would be partnerships, right? Abantu abanjalo abazawuthi ba, I am willing to donate 5 pads a month towards this initiative. That is a partnership. That partnership with businesses, partnership with schools and government, so that we can reach more communities. Secondly, the donations would be anything, clothing items, something that you no longer use when as a person. There's someone else that is in need of that item. But komnye umntu, it is valuable. So we are not looking on getting imali, we're looking on getting something that you need currently, but very well about ingamncedisa omnye umntu. So it's more of partnerships and just donating whatever that you have that you're no longer using, and volunteering as well wherever you are. So every contribution, no matter how small, helps us create a lasting impact. So those would be the key areas of support when we are speaking about that challenge.
In closing, Thando, bukhe ngokubesiqala incoko yethu watsho into yobana ke sikwazi ukuni-accessa through social networks. There is a link somewhere and mhlawumbi if kukho abantu abathi bona okay mna andifuni ku-aplya but ndingakwazi ukuncedisa phaa naphaa xa ngaba ndinakho siqhagamshelana nani njani and siqhagamshelana nani njani through social network?
Okay. We are available on all social media platforms. That would be Facebook, TikTok, as well as Instagram. Same name, which is Thando Lethu Foundation. We're available on email at info@thandolwethufoundation.org. And we're also available on WhatsApp on 073 175 0447. So umuntu nje angasidiyamela atsho uba no, mna I want this, or I can assist with this, or how do anything. We would be open and glad abantu xa beno reach out for any kind of assistance or for any kind of help that they would need. So yeah, those would be our social media platforms. Siyafumaneka apho bhuti wam.
So, and Thando, even if umntana usemoltino, even if umntana usecala, even if umntana usengcobo, udinga uapply because ngoku I'm sure into yobana ba-busy with i-applications bayakhangela into yobana zeziphi ii-universities ezivuliweyo, so niyakwazi ukum-assist.
Noba uphi bhuti wam, we will assist you. We
Thank
are
you
not
so-
specific ngekomani okanye ibhayi okanye intoni. Reach out to us, we will assist you. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much Thando wethu, siyabulela kakhulu ngokusiboleka ixesha uzosibasela ngakumbi uThando Lethu Foundation. Sinqwenelela impumelelo wethu mani ngomsebenzi omhle niwenzayo.
Siyabulela bhuti wam. Thank you so much. Thank you so
All right.
much.